So, we meet again, Zim.
Tech? But I thought you were just... Duty mode, now!
We're going to win this, Mimi.
Yes!
Ha! You only caught up with me because your junk ship was too slow, Zim.
Well, at least I have a job.
You stole my job, Zim. You will be destroyed.
I stole whose what?
My mission! Zim, you took my job. You will
What?
What? You will be conquered by my son, Mimi. I didn't say shut down.
Ah!
That's unnecessary.
Prepare to be doomed! Minnie Moose, come here now! Ah!
No!
It's Minnie Moose!
Mimi, come!
You failed, Tack!
You may have won this round, Zim, but mark my words, I will find you and I will kill you.